Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Oh, buddy, big news. Y'all see the smile right here, man. I got small mouth peeves as big as it gets. Last video got monetized. We're gonna chalk that up as #1. Hopefully this video we're gonna chalk up as #2 being monetized. And actually what I saw is that video got so much good engagement, which completely goes with my conspiracy of I've done bad things on YouTube in the past. I'm really trying to make it up for it now with cutting the crap, and I feel like when there's a bunch of thumbs up and comments, just engagement like that, it's actually working, helping us out. Appreciate you boys so much for that. So dope. If you guys want to give a huge like, comment down below. Let's do it again. Thank you. Yes. Oh, also, before I forget, I've been talking about doing my kitchen renos forever. It's finally done. Told you last video. Some people asked to see it, and man, of course. So anyway, boys, what we did here, if you care, is we knocked down this wall. Before we just had a wall here from the living room and this. It's a mess behind me because we're still trying to get the kitchen sorted. Put a good 30 racks into this. A lot of time. A lot of money, and I am super stoked. If you guys are OG fans, you know what it used to look like. It was just like wood countertops and stuff like that, so we're real stoked. Anyway, there's a little update. I think it's dope. Bar top for the boys. You put food on there, kicked out. Beers only. Now, as if we weren't done with the big news, boys, this one's even bigger. I always said, man, you know, I'm sticking with this jewelry stuff because there's nobody else on YouTube doing it. As far as I'm concerned, or at least at my size, I don't really know that to be a fact. But as far as I'm concerned, we got a monopoly on it. I kept saying at one point we're gonna get a lot of sponsors, people are gonna figure it out, especially there's tons of companies out here, and at one point we're gonna get like some real jewelry from people. That's actually coming real soon too. And honestly, I couldn't pick anyone better than Gold Gods, who's sponsoring this, which is crazy. Super stoked. Couldn't do it without you guys. We should all be stoked. Leave comments down below how stoked you are and hit that like button at the same time, please. I hope you already did that though when I asked you the first time. I'll ask you a few more times throughout this video, for sure. And I also want to say there is a link down below. It's actually a tracking link where they can track if you guys go on it. Even you going through that link, it does help out the channel. It shows that I'm actually giving traffic. So if you guys want to click the link, that would be very dope. Anyway, as y'all see right here, this is a giant box of pieces by them. Like I'm saying giant, there's layers to this. Now I'm just gonna give it up right now. Not all this is gonna be unboxed today. We've got another sponsorship lined up in the near future. But when they hit me up asking what jewelry I want, they're like, pick it from your website. I said, I don't want to. Just like send me your best stuff. I trust you more. So apparently what I found out is they sent me all of the collaborations they've done with rappers. The big thing now is what I've seen. Not a lot of people are doing it, but enough are, where rappers are actually going in with these companies that make this jewelry and they're actually collaborating to make some pieces. Now I really like that. You guys know I only wear real jewelry. I say that always. It's getting annoying, but I think it's now a goofy thing to say because it's for my ego. I think when it comes down to actually having a piece, however, from a rapper that was collaborating with a company, it's no longer really fake. Of course the jewelry is, but it's now just a merch piece. Just like people buy Kanye West shirts or on Gildan and people love wearing them and stuff like that. I feel like you could get away with wearing something like this if you're a big enough fan, something that they actually collaborated on. Just as if Kanye West put out jewelry, even if it was fake gold, people would be rocking it. It's like a dope piece to have. So that's why I really dig these real collaborations that rappers have been doing. They sent it. I haven't gone through any of this, but I did get my girlfriend to because I wanted to be surprised, and she put this whole top layer of collaborations. So if she did it right, this top layer is what we're talking about today. And the rest we shall wait for. There's about 15 more things in there. Stoked. This is crazy. Shout out Gold Gods. There's a link down below, boys. So here she is, man. Once again, I have no idea what's in this. I have a feeling because I know some rappers that they've collaborated with, but I haven't been on their website. I didn't look beforehand, so what we're looking at is a huge collab. We're really dope. And I already see Lil Pump. I shouldn't have done that. Quick peek. So I guess if you really think about it that way, Lil Pump sent me this as well, and I'm somehow famous, or not famous, but I could settle for a roadie for sure. No, that's the wrong meaning. I'm stoked. We're stoked together. We have full out 8 pieces right off the bat. I think their packaging is dope. They haven't given me any talking points, so I'm just gonna give my honest review. As we know, sometimes with sponsorships, I'm a little too honest, and that's hurt me in the past. So you guys can expect my full-on honest review. Gold Gods right here. Let's get into the first one. I did that wrong for sure because this is the side you like. Wild. This is cool. Never seen this in person. I actually didn't even know they put that out. As y'all could see, this first one is a collaboration with Blueface, and I really like this one. I actually owned the other one they put out before, and it's real blingy. This one's kind of really low-key. I dig it, and I also really like that that like little blue earring there. Dope. Not a huge fan of Blueface myself. Thought Tiana was dope for a little bit, and then my girlfriend started playing it always, and she's like, oh, he has a hot voice. I'm like, we're turning this off now. I'm just kidding, but it's just like, that's actually a fact though. Oh, also then, actually behind this, which I just missed, the thing sat up here. It comes with like a really nice bag right there. Leather, whatever, we don't care. Shout out Gold God, still dope, don't care though. Then we got an Instagram card, and what is this? Certified authenticity, I'm dyslexic. And you just had to write it in handwriting, didn't you? This is a genuine piece, crafted to proof. I'm not gonna try. It's a certification thing. Real dope. One thing I actually will say, we will be giving out some pieces in this video to you guys. If you give a thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagram's right here. Follow, tell me you did that. I'm gonna give some pieces out, and I'm gonna keep some for props and future videos. So that's that. Let's get into the next one right here. No idea what it is. Wrong way again. Dope though. Oh, buddy. So we have unboxed a little pump chain like this before, but it was not a collab. It was just a piece that somebody put out without his permission. Which is pretty hardcore if you ask me. Just kidding. But we got a little pump replica. I think his actual one's silver, but this one's gold. Piece of this little pump meme thing. I gotta say, the quality on this is insane. Absolutely insane. I'm not just saying that either. You guys know I've gone through a lot of jewelry, a lot of crap and a lot of good stuff. This for the price is definitely the best on the market. I actually remember when this dropped, it was real cheap for what you think it would be. Quality is immaculate. If you dig a little pump, I mean, you dig this. This is the cool stuff I like to see rappers do. Let's get into the next one. We're 2 down. We got math. God, 8 minus 2, 6 more to go. Next one, boys. Sorry, I'm trying to reveal it for you guys so you see it in the right. Anyway, this is actually dope. Gold Gods. If you ever, I'm just gonna put it out there. If you ever want to put out some NameBran merch, I see how y'all are doing it and I really dig it. And once again, we got the cards here. Can't read them. Sorry. We got this right here and we got this piece right here. Same as the little pump one here, except in silver, and he's actually not iced out on the face, which I think I dig a lot more. It's easier to see what's going on there. Let me know what we should do with these, like the ones that I don't give away. Do we, like, I don't know, smash them and see how they look, or do we wear them in public? You guys let me know. Let's get into the next one. We're 3 down. We had 8. 5 to go. Oh, I am stoked. Next up, this one right here. Again, I did it. So much for a big reveal. Damn! So this one, I'm actually just gonna keep in the package. The contrast is a little better so you guys can actually see what's going on with it. Same as the last one, except this one's gold. Crazy collaboration. These are, I'm getting real jealous. I'm getting real jealous. These guys do it really well. We need a collab, boys. Probably won't be much help with the collab, but if you guys want to take the reins, let's do it. Anyway, that one right there, super dope. The diamonds, man. And look at my face while I look at that shot. I haven't looked at my girlfriend like that in forever. I'm joking, sorry. That humor. This is why my girlfriend doesn't watch my videos. Anyway, real dope right there. Also, one thing I forgot to mention too, that I was actually pretty stoked hearing. He actually told me that with their whole lifetime warranty policy, apparently they were like the first to actually start doing that, and they have like the best warranty on the market. I'm sure it's researched, but I actually do really like that in terms of buying stuff like this, especially if it's like actual rapper merch in a way of pendants. The warranty is a big thing. So that's a really big plus. I do dig that. But like I say, we're just giving a solid review right now. We're gonna start this one video off with no crazy spiel. That's the way I like to do with my sponsorships. Complete honesty up first. Then I start lying to you guys. Just joking. But so far I'm very impressed, man. Next, let's go. I did it right this time. Next up, we have another. Have we added? No, we haven't seen this one yet. We got the full pump collaboration apparently. Same one as this with no face. The gold looks real nice. I'm sure we got the warranty cards in it. Yes, we do. And we got another one of those cases. Real dope. We got a few uses with this, boys. Little pump right there. Just like the last. Real dope. Oh, man. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 more already. Crazy. This one's catching my eye. This is a huge mess on the table. Look at this table. It's not even a mess. It's a mess of dopeness. It's a mess of brand just technically got sponsored by Little Pump and Gold Gods at the same time. Next, this is my favorite yet. I'm actually have to take this one out. For me personally, I'm not a huge fan enough of these guys to wear their face around my neck, stuff like that. Not something so big. This right here is more up my alley. Something small like this. Obviously, it's the Aesthetic Little Pump. We got Lil Pump X Gold Gods at the back. That means collaboration. And then the diamonds are just sparkling, bro. This is what I want. Imagine that saying NameBran. Wild. Quality is nuts. It's thick. Not hollow, she's solid. Once again, the rope chain right here in gold. We unboxed 5, which means we got 4 more. From 8, 3 more. Oh, this one's gnarly. This one we've actually had before. We've unboxed before. This is another blue face one, and I think at one point I hydro dipped it, then it didn't turn out well, so I smashed it with a hammer, so it's real nice to have another one. We got the blue face pennant right here. This is pretty much exactly what his looks like. Yeah, I don't know if his real one actually has like the blue diamond tennis chain on it. Super nice touch for their collabo. Blue face, got gold gods at the back. That's the most accurate I've seen a piece, for sure. This is crazy. Exactly what his looks like. I haven't met the dude, I haven't seen it in person, but it looks damn close. Table's getting messy. I'm getting anxious about it. There we go. We have 2 left. Wow, so far we got a lot of stuff, boys. Next up, I'm feeling good about this one. Let's take a gander. Nice! This is the exact, we haven't opened that. No, they sent everything. Oh my god. So we have this, we got this. This is the exact replica. I think his is a lot bigger. I know his is a lot bigger, but that's exactly how his is. Iced out fully in the white gold diamonds. God, the details, man. Craziness. Craziness. We need more collabs with rappers. I'm loving this. I'm like, this is crazy. We got one more piece, boys. Before we get into it, I want to say a huge thank you to Gold Gods. Go check out that link because honestly, if we can keep getting sponsored, helps out with the channel so much. Also, it just gives us some real cool content like this. All for it, obviously. Money's great. Working with people's great. Getting good videos for you guys is great. I'm gonna do this right this time. I didn't. Damn! We got another Esketit. Now this gold one doesn't seem so chill. This silver one just knocks it right out the park, in my opinion. I love a necklace being white gold, as I got a yellow gold one on. Super dope. Just another Esketit one right there, boys. Not much to say. We already discussed it with the gold one. You guys let me know about this. You guys let me know your thoughts, honestly, about rappers collaborating on stuff. I think it's super fun. I just hope that some rappers that I really like would start to do it soon. Someone like DaBaby would be dope. I'm trying to think of who else I listen to. Nick Caution, my favorite rapper of all time. If he did something like that, it'd be awesome. Already bought his hat. Love it. Anyway, man, appreciate y'all for watching. We're murking the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all are, you're helping me out, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Just checking out some crazy stuff. Don't even know how I'm gonna make this thumbnail. There's so much crazy stuff. Appreciate y'all, man. Murking it. Blah.